So you only need selected variant images on Shopify, but you see something like this. All the images are being shown. Despite I click the variants like black for example here, you can see all the images are being popped up. So we need to fix this, and after the fix, we will see something like this. So let's fix it. First, we will click on the products menu and delete the existing one which is problematic, and we will add new product the correct way. Yeah, insert the title, the description, and also insert the medias as well, all the images together of all variants. Now we will install an application for this. You will find this in Shopify store. So just visit the online store or click the sales channel. Click sales channel and search by Rubik. Just search by this Rubik. You will find this Rubik variant images and swatch. Install it. It's a paid application, but for now you can use it for free. After the installation, click on the app Rubik variant images and click on assign images. Select the product. Then for your desired variation value like yellow and black, we will assign the values. So for example, I am selecting these 3 images, confirm selection, and for the black just choose the black variants from this and confirm the selection and just click save. Yeah, images are assigned. And then if it asks you to save it or activate it from the Rubik variant images, sometimes it asks to activate it. So just click activate and then make sure to save the data. Just activate it if it asks to activate. So finally we have our desired settings for variation swatches, and just will check the store for now. Yeah, it's working, you see. So by this way you can fix the issue by this application. Have a good day.